This professional 7-piece screwdriver set has everything you need to get the job done in your garage, shop, or on the work site. It includes 4 slotted screwdrivers in 3-inch, 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch lengths, plus a 3-inch Phillips No. 1 screwdriver and 4-inch and 6-inch Phillips No. 2 screwdrivers. Each piece features durable chrome vanadium steel blades with magnetic tips. Soft grip handles make every job comfortable, and the set comes with a wall mount holder for convenient storage. Get the most from your screwdrivers with this professional 7-piece slotted and Phillips screwdriver set.